figures. Before going to our topic, let's see the definition of perimeter and area. What is the definition of perimeter? Perimeter is boundary or the fencing of an figure. It is called a perimeter. Going to area, area is the place occupied by a figure. So this is a rectangle. The occupied space by this is this. So area of a rectangle will be some amount of number. So now my friend Uday will tell you about irregular figure perimeter.
Good morning everyone, my name is Enrichment. Today I am going to tell about perimeter of an irregular shape. The experiment of all the sides. So the measurements of the all sides are 10 cm into 4 into 3 cm plus 7 cm into 16 cm plus 14 cm. So the answer will be 59 cm. So the perimeter of an irregular shape is 59 cm. Now my friend Sujit will continue with perimeter of an area of an rectangle.
Good morning everyone, my name is Tisli. I am from 7th Begonia. Today my topic is perimeter and area of a rectangle. Now I am going to say you about perimeter and area of a rectangle. Now what is a rectangle? Rectangle is a equiangular and a quadrilateral shape which has 4 sides. Since equiangular means which all angles are right angles. There are 4 types of rectangles: orthogonal, quadrilateral, parallelogram and trapezium. Now let's find the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Now the length of this rectangle is 30 centimeters and the breadth is 25 centimeters. So if we apply the formula to this, the answer is 110 centimeters. And coming to area, area of rectangle is length into breadth. So if we apply the formula to that, the answer is 750 centimeters. Now my friend Siddharth will continue with it.
Good morning everyone, my name is Siddharth. I am from 7th Albania. Today I am going to say you about a square. Square, it has the all sides are equal. Perimeter of a square is here we have 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. The formula of a square is 4 into Z. If we do 4 into 20, we get answer 80. Or we have other formula for 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20, we get 80 here. And the area of a square, the formula is side into side. 20 into 20, we get answer 400. Now my friend Ashik will deal with the triangle.
Good morning everyone. So let's see the area of triangle. So what is the formula of triangle? We can find the area of a triangle by applying the formula half into base into height. So we need to substitute our values. Here base is 10 cm and height is 15 cm. 1 by 2 into 10 into 15 which gives rise to 75 cm. We can apply what are the measures of an irregular or regular triangle and apply the formula and find the area of it. Now I am going to say about circle. Circle. We need to find a perimeter and area of a circle. For finding that, we need radius. So what is radius? Radius is an line which is starting at the center and attaching any corner of the circumference. Radius is denoted by r. Radius is very important in finding the perimeter and area of a circle. So perimeter formula of circle is 2 pi r. We need to substitute our values 2 into 22 by 7 into r value 14 cm. So what is the pi? Pi is a value that is equal to the diameter of the circle. If we cannot change the pi because always the pi value will be 3.14 and so on, but our scientists did not notice an accurate number of pi. Now perimeter is 2 into pi into r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 14. We get the value as 88 centimeter. Finding the area square. So pi r square is 22 by 7 into r into r. So 22 by 7 into 14 into 4. They gave diameter and find the area of it. We can substitute our values into diameter into pi because the twice of radius is a diameter. which gives same value of r square. So if we substitute our values to the given formula, we get the answer as 88 centimeter. Again, the area and perimeter of this circle is 88. Instead of perimeter, we have a special word that is circumference.
Now we thank our maths sir, Mahesh sir and our coordinator Swati ma'am and principal Archana ma'am for giving us this golden opportunity.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself is Sankti of grade 7th of Albania section. Today me and my team are going to present seminar on perimeter and area. What is an area? The amount of space inside the boundary of a two-dimensional shape is called as area. Now my friend Lakshya is going to say about area.
Hi, my name is Lakshya. Today I am going to explain the area of square and rectangle. So this is a square. They have 4 equal sides and the formula of area is side into side. This is a rectangle. This rectangle has opposite sides which are equal. The formula of rectangle is length into breadth. Thank you.
What is a perimeter? The distance around outside of a two-dimensional shape is called as perimeter. Now my friend Geetika is going to say about perimeter. I am going to say about perimeter. Perimeter of circle is equal to 5r. Perimeter of parallelogram is equal base into height. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to L plus D. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal sum of all sides. Thank you.
I am Rishikanya from grade 7 Begonia of Bhashyam, Nagole. Today I am going to present my maths essay on the chapter perimeter and area. These are my teammates. Now my friend Sushant is going to tell you what's a perimeter.
Good morning everyone, this is from Begonia. Today I am going to say about the perimeter. Perimeter is the boundary around the closed figure. Now my friend Shikalyan is going to say about the area.
Area is a distance or region covered inside with the boundaries. Square is a four-sided polygon or a figure. Now I am going to show you how to measure the area of square. The area of square formula side into side. Now the side of this square is 10 centimeters. 10 into 10 is 100 centimeters square. Now my friend Ritik Verma is going to say how to measure the area of rectangle.
Hello everyone, this is Ritvik Verma from grade 7. I am going to tell you about how to measure the area of this rectangle. So this length is 10 centimeters and the breadth is 14 centimeters. So the area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. So our length is 10 centimeters and our breadth is 14 centimeters. So 14 into 10 is 140 centimeters. Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
This is our essay.
Good morning everyone. I am Sai Kartikeya from grade 7A. Today, me and my team are going to say you all about perimeter and area. So firstly, you may ask what is perimeter and area. So for that, my friend Bhavani Baraprasad is going to say what is perimeter.
The perimeter is the boundary that occupied by a closed figure. Now my friend Vesai is going to tell you about area.
Hi everyone, my name is Vedasai. Today I am going to say about the definition of area. A region occupied by a closed figure is called area. Now my friend Kartikeya is saying about.
Now, my friend said about perimeter and area. Now, firstly, where are this perimeter and area used in our daily lives? Now, you may see the door when you enter a room. Now, how you keep a door in the hole where you keep. When we cut the hole, we measure the hole and the door's height and breadth and all, and then we accordingly keep the door in the hole of the door. Now, in this situation, we use the perimeter, and where we use area. Area, again when we open the door, we see tiles. Where are tiles? How are tiles kept? Firstly, they measure the room, then the tiles area, the room's area, and then accordingly they calculate, each tile will calculate this much area, then how many tiles are required for this much area. They divide, they solve the equation, and then say some particular so and so tiles are needed for this particular room. Now, like this, if we go deeper, we'll get many shapes with its perimeter and area. So, one of its shape is rectangle and square. My friend Bhavani Prasad is going to say about them.
Now I'm going to tell you about formulas of square and rectangle of perimeter and area. The perimeter of the square is 4s, and the area of the square is s into s. The perimeter of the rectangle is 2 of L plus B, and the area of the rectangle is L length into breadth. Now my friend Srijan is going to tell you about triangles.
Hi, I'm Srijan Reddy from 7th B. Today I'm going to explain you about triangle and its area. Triangle is a 2D shape, as we all know. Now, the area of triangle. The total space occupied by the 3 sides of a triangle is known to be the area of triangle. Now the formula. The area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. The perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides. Right. Now my friend Vedasai is going to tell you about parallelogram.
Yes, parallelogram is a shape formed by 2 pairs of parallel lines. The opposite lines are parallel and opposite angles are equal in measure. The area of parallelogram is base into height. Perimeter of parallelogram. The parallelogram is same as rectangle. In rectangle, as my friend said, the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. As same as the parallelogram has also 2 into base into height. Now my friend Kartikeya is going to say about circle.
Yeah, circle. Now, in place of perimeter, we are going to substitute other name, which is circumference. These are straight lines and parallel lines, so we use the word perimeter. But this is a circular shape, so we are going to use the word circumference particularly. Now, I am going to say about circumference of circle. Circumference of circle. When we take a circular shape or object like this, when we have to measure the circumference of circle. In our ancestors' time, they used a thread like this, kept it at a point. It is coming till here. So, from here till here is the length of this thread. And when we put this thread on the scale and when we measure, that is the circumference of circle. But if we want to measure the circumference of a bigger circle, not like this, but a very big circle, then it is so hard to take a thread, measure it. So, the circumference of a circle with a formula. In that formula, an important thing was pi. What is pi? Pi is not a rational number and its value is 22 by 7. In decimals, it is 3.14. Now, how we will use this pi value to know the circumference of circle? To know the circumference of circle using pi, we do 2 into 1 pi r into pi r. Thank you.
My second topic is about circle. Type parts of circle. A circle is a collection of a point between a given point called the center. The distance from the center to any point on the circle is called the radius. The most important measurement is a circle. What is called circle? A circle is all point in the same place that lies at an equal distance from a center point. The circle is only composed of the points on the border. The line segment that has the midpoint of the circle has passed through. The midpoint is called the diameter. Now my friend Kritika is going to say about lines of a circle.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kritika, I'm studying in 7th Nagole. Today I'm going to tell you about lines of a circle and circular formula. Lines of a circle. The line is the plane of a circle are classified into three categories. The line like
circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r unit. This circumference of a circle formula can also be written as pi d, where diameter is equal to 2 into radius, d is equal to 2r, where r represents the radius of a circle. Thank you. Now my friend Sana is going to represent the rectangle. Hello everyone, my name is Sana and I am from 7th Begonia. Today I am saying about rectangle. This is a rectangle. A rectangle has two sides, left and right. And the two opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Thank you. My name is What is a square? What is a square? What is the perimeter of a square? What is the area of a square? What is a square? A square is a closed figure. Square with four sides is called square. What is the perimeter of a square? The perimeter of a square is 4 into 7. What is the area of the perimeter? 5 into 7. Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Lucas. Me and my friends are going to tell you about area and perimeter. My friend Piyush is going to tell you about perimeter and area information.
A perimeter is a boundary across a closed figure, and an area is a space occupied by a closed figure. Now my friend Mohanna is going to explain about circle and its circumference and area.
That is called radius.
Circle is a polygon made up of three sides, made up of three lines. It has three sides, three vertices. The best known formula of the area of triangle is half into b into h. The area of this triangle is 56 as half into 8 into 14. Through 2 will cancel and 14 will be 7. 7 8s are 56. The perimeter of triangle is s plus s plus s s plus s plus s. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Satvika, this is Nitishri, Sumedha and Diana. So today we are going to be explaining about perimeter and area of few shapes. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the outer boundary of a closed figure. And what is area? Area is the space occupied by the closed figure. Now my friend Nitishri is going to tell about square.
What is square? A square is a four-sided polygon which has equal sides. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. And area of square is equal to side into side. Now my friend Sumedha is going to explain you about triangle.
What is a triangle? Tri means three and angle means two lines meeting upon. Triangle is a three-sided polygon. There are three types of triangle: isosceles triangle, straight triangle, and equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into s. A normal triangle's perimeter is a plus b plus c, and the area of a triangle is half into base into height. Now my friend Naina is gonna tell about circle.
This is a circle. The circle is a figure that does not have any length than breadth. It can be divided into many parts. Circumference of circle formula is 2 pi r. Pi should be 22 by 7 or 3.14. Area of circle formula is pi r square. Now my friend Santika is going to explain about the rectangle.
Rectangle. What is rectangle? Rectangle is a four-sided figure where the sides are opposite sides are equal. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 of L plus B and the area of rectangle is L into B.
Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Bala Dikisa. I am studying in 7th grade. Now
Now me and my friends are going to explain you about perimeter and area. Now my friend Manideep is going to explain you about area.
My name is Jima. Today I am explaining about area. Area definition. The shape occupied by a flat surface. Flat shape is called area. The formula of area of rectangle is L into B. The formula of square is equal to side into side. Now my friend Bhashyam will say about perimeter.
Now I am going to tell you about perimeter meaning and perimeter formula. Now first meaning. Length or boundary of a closed plane figure is called perimeter. The formula of perimeter of rectangle is 2 of L plus B. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. Now my friend Mandeep is going to tell you about area of rectangle with one example.
I have an example of a rectangle. This is a compound. The length of this compound is 7 cm. Breadth is 23 cm. The area of rectangle is 20. So 7 into 20. The area of rectangle is 161 cm square. Then my perimeter of rectangle.
Now I have an example of a rectangle. The length is 7 cm and breadth is 23 cm. Now a perimeter of rectangle is 2 of L plus B. So 2 of 7 plus 23 is 60 cm. The perimeter of rectangle is 60 cm. Now my friend Kanish is going to tell you about area of square.
My name is Enrichment. I am from Nagole. Today I am telling about area of square. Now let us measure this square. It's 22 meters. Area of square formula is side into side. Side is 22 meters. 22 into 22 is 484. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Tishuka. I'm studying in 7th. Today, I and my team is going to learn about perimeter and area.
Now I am going to tell you about area of rectangle. Now area of rectangle formula is L into B. Now this is 10 centimeters and this is 7 centimeters. Now this is into 10 into 7. 70 is the answer. Now Sarang is going to
So this is square and square has equal sides. So for example, I am taking 9. We have to multiply 4 and solution will be 36 centimeters. Now my friend take this thing. So I am going to take 10 centimeters length and 7 centimeters breadth. The solution is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 10 plus 7 equals to 2 into 17. So 17 to the 34. Perimeter of rectangle is 34 centimeters. Area of square. The square has side into side. I am taking example of 10. 10 into 10 is equals to 100 centimeters. Thank you.
Now, I'm going to tell you about area of a parallelogram. The formula of parallelogram is height into base. Now, for example, I'm taking height as 12 centimeters and length as 20 centimeters. The formula is base into height. So we have to multiply 12 and 20. The area of parallelogram is equals to 240 centimeters.
Good afternoon everyone, this is Ashita from grade 7. Today me and my friends are going to do an role play on perimeter and area.
I'm Akshara from 7th grade.
I am Maria of 7th grade. Here we are going to do a role play act on perimeter and area activity. Hi Rishita and Akshara.
Hi Maya. perimeter of the square. Now let's know about perimeter of the square. The perimeter of square is 4 into sides 6 centimeters. This is 25 centimeters, and the all sides are 25 centimeters, and the sides are equal. Perimeter of square is 4 into sides, so the all sides are equal. That is 25 centimeters into 5. That is 25 centimeters into 4. That is 100 centimeters. Now let's know about perimeter area of the square. That is side into side. That is 25 into 25. 25 into 25 is 625. So, did you understand, Maria?